I want to show you how you can absolutely dominate the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. And the best part is, I'm going to show you how you can give away something for free to make high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions. And not just with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program, but with multiple affiliate programs as well. So you might have heard of these legendary affiliate marketing people such as Camilla Markson, Rebecca Duncan, Nathan Lucas, Steffi Chen, Spencer Meekum, and finally Chelsea Orman. Now, what do all these legendary marketer affiliates have in common? They are making 6 to 7 figures in affiliate marketing with the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can dominate the Legendary Marketer Affiliate Program as well. But more specifically, how you can not only set up just one affiliate marketing business, but how you can set up your online business for the long term, promoting multiple affiliate marketing products. And this is because you don't want to build your entire affiliate marketing business to only rely on one affiliate product. Because what if that affiliate marketing program gets shut down or they change their affiliate marketing structure? I mean, anything beyond your control could happen. So you don't want to rely on one affiliate marketing business to market and promote to be successful in your affiliate marketing business. So let's get right into it. Now, if you've never heard of me, my name is Dad Learns Money. I'm an introvert who went from homeless to homeowner with high-ticket affiliate marketing, and I've done multiple 6 and 7 figures with my own online business, as well as promoting other multiple affiliate products and services. Now, my goal for this channel is to help you build an infinite passive income business and achieve financial and time freedom, especially if you hate your job exactly like I did. Now, the main goal of your affiliate marketing business is you need to be building your email list. You see, a lot of affiliates depend so much on the product that they're promoting. And that's cool because you should believe in your main affiliate core offer. But the only problem is, what if that affiliate program decides to change their terms and conditions? What if they get shut down? In affiliate marketing, these things can possibly happen. So that's why you should not depend solely on one affiliate marketing product. Now, these affiliate programs that may get shut down or changed for whatever reason, you have no control over that. The only thing you do have control over is your email list. So to be successful, you really have to understand that concept. You're not promoting Legendary Marketer or any affiliate program that you're promoting right now or considering promoting. You have the goal of to promote your business. And you want to promote your business by building your own email list. Your email list is something that you have control over, not any affiliate product or program. Now, of course, you can send your email list to whatever affiliate marketing product that you desire, but you don't want to be talking solely about that affiliate marketing product. You want to be talking more so about your business. And let me show you what I mean. Now, in order to build your email list or your email database, you can't be solely promoting all these other products. The best way to collect someone's email so that you can build your email list the correct way is that you want to send them to a lead magnet. Now, let me show you an example of what this looks like. Now, right now, I'm inside my TikTok account. Now, I promote multiple affiliate products. I even have my own courses. I have my own products and services as well. But what you'll notice in a lot of my content, I'm not really promoting one particular affiliate product. I'm always promoting my lead magnet. Now, the reason I do this is because I'm not trying to get people to go to the affiliate product. I'm trying to get people into my email list. So in order for me to do that, I need to get people to my lead magnet. Now, as you can see here, right here in my TikTok bio, I'm leading people to my lead magnet, which is my free course. Now, if I click on this link in my bio, you'll see that it's going to lead them to my main lead magnet, which is my free course. Now, you'll see here, there's nowhere on this landing page, which is my lead magnet, that I'm talking about Legendary Marketer or even a place where I'm promoting any of my own personal products, but I'm not promoting or discussing or talking about any affiliate marketing program. The main goal of this page is to simply collect emails and build my email list. And I'm doing that in exchange for receiving their email address is that I'm giving them an entire free course that's full of value. So when they land on this page, those people who want to get access to this free course are going to click this button. And as you can see, I'm collecting their basic information, which is their name, their email address, and their phone number. So essentially what's happened here, I'm promoting my lead magnet using social media to generate traffic. They go to my link in my bio, they click on that link, and they're going to give me their email, and that's how they get on my email list. And at that point, this is where all the magic happens. It goes down in the back end of my email list. Now I can promote not only my products, but I can promote Legendary Marketer and any and all of the other affiliate programs that I'm affiliated with. You see, so many people get caught up in, hey, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, Roadmap to Riches, or any other affiliate program, especially new and beginner affiliate marketers. But let me tell you, none of those other affiliate marketing programs matter. The cool thing about building your own email list is that you're not only building somebody else's business, you're building your own. Now, don't get me wrong, you're leveraging that company's business to build your own, but at the same time, you're building your own business yourself for the long term. Now, right now, if you get this, comment long-term business down below in the comment section if you really just got your mind blown by this concept. And also, if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you won't have to build your entire business from scratch, because I'm going to give you your own lead magnet that you can market and sell as your own. I'm going to give you all the emails and all the tools and all the softwares, everything you need to run a successful affiliate marketing business. I'm going to give all those tools so that you can start immediately without all the tech involved. Now, if you've never heard of the Legendary Marketer affiliate program, in this video, I do a more in-depth review, more so about Legendary Marketer, that you can check out. So make sure you check it out, because in this video, I only want to show you how you can dominate the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. All right, so now let's break down how the top 10 affiliates are dominating Legendary Marketer. Now, this example is from Camilla Markson. The main thing these top affiliates are doing to earn 6 and 7 figures in affiliate marketing is that they're building their email list. But let me show you how they're doing it more specifically and break this down for you. Now, one of the things that they're doing in order to generate income in their affiliate marketing business is they're creating this short form content. So if we click right here, you'll see that they're really simple. All she's doing is creating 5-second videos, and she's literally just putting text on the screen, and it just loops and loops over and over again. Now, what's happening here is people are taking the time to read this text in the screen, and while it's looping, she's getting a lot of engagement and views. In her caption, if you look, after they read the text on screen, they're going to go over to her captions and read that as well. But what's happening in the background, like I said, the video is still playing over and over, and she's getting tons of views and engagement. Now, you'll also notice that she's not just doing it in this one video. She has tons of other videos where she's just replicating that same process that's working for her. But what you'll notice on almost all her videos, she always has a caption, and she's trying to get people to comment or click a link or go to her bio. So in short, she's generating traffic with her short form content. This is getting people curious to want to learn more, so they're coming to her bio, getting them to click on her link right here in her Stan Store. But the cool thing about it, she's giving away a free thing. And in this case, she's giving away a free guide. Now, this free guide is also called a lead magnet. So clicking on that link is going to lead you to her website. This is where we are right now. And as you can see, she's giving away a free masterclass. She's giving away a free ebook as well. And then you'll notice when you click to get this free ebook, it's going to lead to her landing page where she's like, hey, this is me, and this is how you can get this free ebook by giving me your name and your email address. So you'll notice the main goal of this page is to only collect email addresses. Nowhere on this page is she promoting any other affiliate marketing program. So going back to our graphic, you can see she's following the same system here. She's getting traffic from her TikTok and from her Instagram, and she's sending that traffic to her e-magnet, which is her free guide, and she's building her email list or her email database. So the main goal and the main thing you want to understand is basically you're giving away something for free and you're building your email list. And this is happening because people are giving you their email address in exchange to get access for whatever your free lead magnet is. And again, we're not talking about the product. People don't care about the product. People only care about what the product can do for them, that transformation, those results that they're looking for. for. Again, this is one of the biggest mistakes that a lot of affiliate marketers, especially new affiliate marketers, keep doing over and over when they're starting out. They keep talking about the product, the benefits of the product, how great the product is. You want to talk about that free thing that you're giving away. And not just the free thing you're giving away, but more importantly, the outcome it produces. What can this product do for them? What can your free thing do for them? Is it going to help them leave their job? Is it going to help them be able to spend more time with their family? Is it going to help them make more money online? Whatever it is that that product does, that is what you want to talk about. So even if you look at my Instagram profile, I never talk about the product. In my bio, I'm telling you the transformation, what can happen if you take part in this product that I'm promoting. So I'm telling you, hey, I can help you clock out for good. I can help you build a 7-figure business, and I can help you learn how to sell it in 3 days. These are the things that people want to hear because they're looking for the transformation, not looking for a product. And on top of that, I'm giving it to you all in a free course. So that's cool. That's what sets me apart from everybody else, because I'm giving away something for free that they can get tons of value from, because they want to see a certain transformation in their lives so that they can reach whatever goal they're trying to reach. So what is the best lead magnet for affiliate marketing? Now you're going to probably see other affiliates giving out something like a free course or a free checklist, but you're not going to see too many of them giving out something of pure, uncut, raw value. To be honest, if you're just giving away something like a free checklist or a blueprint or even just a free ebook, you'll start to notice that a lot of people, they're going to download it, but they'll probably never ever look at it. Now, my goal, as yours should be, is when people come into my world, I really want to blow their minds. I really want to dazzle them. Basically, I want to give them something that's really going to blow their minds. So I want to give them something so much full of value that when they come in, they feel instantaneously that they're in the right place. So what I do, I just give away a free course. Now I'm going to show you how you can replicate my business and my free course using a simple, brand new, unfair software. But first I want to show you how this free course lead magnet works and how you can use it to dominate the legendary marketer affiliate program, and not just that affiliate program, but any other affiliate program that you desire. Here's an example of the free course that I give away. Now, as promised, this free course is 100% free, but my main goal is to build my email list. Because the cool thing is, once I collect an email, it doesn't really matter what I'm promoting. Because as you can see, once I collect an email, I'm able to promote any other affiliate marketing program that I have. So after my welcome email, I can start promoting 72-Hour Income Quest, which is my affiliate product, Legendary Marketer. I can promote passive affiliate products. I can support almost any other thing that I have in my ecosystem. And not only just affiliate marketing products or programs, I can promote my YouTube channel, my Facebook, my Instagram. That way I can grow my following on my other social media platforms. The options that you have with your email database are endless. But going back, like I said, the whole goal is to collect an email so I can build my email list. So when the people click this button, they're going to give me their email address in exchange to access to this free course. And this free course is 100% and absolutely free, and it's full of value that's going to help them solve an immediate problem and get one step closer to their transformation or that dream outcome they're looking to achieve. That being said, I want you to watch this quick video that's going to tell you what's inside my free course and how you can get it as well. Down below, you'll see the link to join my free course. And by the way, did I say free? It's absolutely free. No games, no gimmicks, no upsells. You can join it and use this course to not only to learn about AI softwares, but how to make money with all of the industries together. I'm going to teach you the secrets of automated income. I'm going to teach you all my ultimate affiliate programs and software gold mines. I'm going to show you how to go from $0 to $100 a day using my email list alchemy. Even in the end, I'm going to give you my expert tools and programs I will to forge a 7-figure business from thin air. All that and more is down linked below this video. Let's hop back into it. Now, the cool thing about this course, once people sign up and they're inside, now I can promote multiple affiliate programs all at the same time to this customer. Now, I'm not just trying to make money off of these people. I'm using tools and softwares that I use myself that have helped me to achieve 7 figures in my high ticket affiliate marketing business. And I'm suggesting these tools because I believe it will help them. So that's what you want to always keep in mind. We're not just throwing affiliate marketing products. into something just to get a dollar from somebody. You want to be honest and truly believe that these products will help them because they have helped you and others as well. So as you can see here, I promote ClickFunnels, GetResponse, and Aweber, System.io, Kartra, TubeBuddy. All these things that I'm using that have helped me become successful in my business. I'm showing these people how to use it and showing them how they can also sign up for these products and become affiliates and make money as well. So basically in this course, I show them how to replicate my system, and I show them how they can take this course and literally copy what I'm doing, just following the steps that I'm teaching throughout the modules of this course. So to be successful, you just got to start thinking about this in a different way. We're not just trying to promote Legendary Marketer, we're trying to build our email list so we can build a business and promote any and all other affiliate marketing products or programs that we desire. But before you're able to get to that point at all, the first thing you have to do is provide value. So the value is my lead magnet, which is the free course. After I provide value, now that opens up the doors to where I can promote other affiliate marketing products. And on top of that, people are going to get to know you, like you, and trust you even more because we're leading with value. So now I want to show you how you can clone my entire 7-figure affiliate marketing business as your own. So my exact same lead magnet, which is that exact same course, I want to show you how you can copy it and sell it as your own in a matter of seconds. But the cool thing is, you're not going to just be able to copy my entire 7-figure business and receive that lead magnet that you can copy and sell as your own, which is the free course. I'm going to give you 365 days of emails that you can use as well, that you can copy in just a matter of seconds. It's going to be automatically generated for you, and you won't have to create anything yourself. So we're going to skip all of that tech. You're going to get access to all these emails and the course and immediately start making money as soon as today. So just to make sure that you understand this, you're not going to have to create the lead magnet. I'm going to give it to you. You're not going to have to generate any of the links for the affiliate marketing programs. They're going to be automatically generated. Going to give you a full year of emails. It's going to be automatically written for you. And it's going to insert your affiliate links into the email so you won't have to do it all yourself. It's all going to be done for you in a matter of seconds. So essentially, all you're going to have to do is just add your affiliate marketing link, and we'll show you how to sign up for free in the software. And once you're done with that, all you're going to have to do is just click a button, and your affiliate link is going to be inserted into your landing page, into your lead magnet, and into all of the emails in a matter of seconds. So basically, everything that you see in this graphic is going to be done for you automatically in a matter of seconds. Now, if you want to copy my entire affiliate marketing system from the free course to the lead magnet to all of the emails and learn about every other affiliate marketing program that I'm promoting, I want to invite you to my 72-hour infinite passive income quest. In this 3-day quest, I not only go more in depth on how to build a successful affiliate marketing business, but I also explain how to build your affiliate marketing business for the long term. And then on day 2, I show you how to step-by-step clone and build my entire affiliate marketing business using this brand new Unfair software. So again, if you want access, if you want to learn how to clone and build my entire affiliate marketing business, I'm going to leave a link down below this video in the YouTube description. I'm going to make sure that is the very first link that you see so that you don't get confused. Now, I hope that this video gave you tons of value. I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I always reply back. And if you like to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can be successful in this industry, then you should definitely watch this next video. As always, you guys, you stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success.